These water heaters are made in the USA but are only sold through their authorized dealer network. They offer standard top connect models as well as low boy tanks with side connections for the water. They are available in 30, 40, or 50-gallon sizes and feature factory-installed heat traps to minimize the standby heat losses through the water lines. The units use a basic magnesium anode for corrosion control and use self-cleaning technology to reduce sediment buildup, but their guarantee is not as good as some of the other brands. The demand response top connect water heaters are available in either 40 or 50-gallon sizes and feature electronic controls with a communicating port for utility company demand response programs. They have digital control with an iMemory self-learning algorithm which learns the usage patterns of hot water in the home and adjusts the water heater settings to meet demand while saving energy. They are backed by a pretty good guarantee. This brand receives an overall 3-star budget pick rating from HvacRepairGuy.